and shine. Hey, look. Front page. Not your best photo, true, but still, front page is good, no? Before I get large cash, I have to show, in good faith, that you are still alive and somewhat well. Okay? Say the cheese! Would you like 8 by 10 or wallet size? No? Naked Scott. The rest is silence.
Not that. Please.
Because you said please. Etiquette counts, my friend. So messy. You know, it's probably lesson to be learned here about greed. Your father, dead. Your people, my people. One difference. You will join them. I will not. The death I gave him. Thus bad begins. And worse remains behind.